Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your promotions in your owner dashboard. From the home page, navigate to the dashboard. Once in your dashboard, change your owner account to your advertiser account, as demonstrated here. Select Promotions from the menu on the left and then click My Promotions. Now select Add Promotion. First, fill out the identifier. As an owner, you can advertise your shop, products, and website. In this video, we are going to go through a promotion for the shop. Set your advertising spend cap for this promotion. Also set your duration and start and end times. Next, fill out the promotion name and click Save. Click back into My Promotions, where your promotion will be displayed. Select the Analytics button to view your statistics. These statistics will show you how many people have clicked on your promotion and also how many impressions it has had. Now select Promotion Charges on the left-hand menu. Here you can see what charges there are and which day they have came out of your account. To review your promotion on the website, go to the profile icon in the top right and select Home from the drop-down list. Shop promotions are located near the bottom of the home page. When someone clicks, it will take them through to the shop, displaying all of your products. You have now completed your promotion management. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.